Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Clipper Super 49 BD seed cleaner. This unit has just been finished up by us here at Commodity Traders International. This is going to a local gentleman in Pana, Illinois. That's an hour away from us. We wanted to make this video to demonstrate our work and demonstrate our finished product. This unit is ready to go out and perform as good as it did 50 years ago. I absolutely love the wood grain on these units. They're made out of some beautiful oak lumber. You can't get a seed cleaner that's this beautiful anymore. Anytime we replace a wood component, we replace it with this high density plywood. It's special plywood, there's no voids. It is 100% solid wood after they glue it together. Again, this is a Super 49 BD seed cleaner. This unit is completely rebuilt. It looks new, but this unit is every bit of 50 years old or older. We can see the eccentric shaft here. Counterweights. This unit has all new bearings. It has also been upgraded and improved with our CTI ball tray system. This upgrades your unit, does away with all of the brush drive components, simplifies the machines, removes a lot of the moving parts. With less moving parts, it means your machine has less things to maintain, which means there's less components to break and replace, meaning your machine is going to last longer and there's much less maintenance involved. We can see the top air here. Again, this unit has new bearings throughout the machine. On this particular seed cleaner, the fan housings usually get worn out. Now, one thing that we do, aside from updating them with the high density, high grade plywood, is that we CNC cut an armor plate to go on the inside of the fan as well, where they typically wear out. So that means this unit will last longer than it would have originally, because we've addressed all of the potential wear that this unit will receive. You can see the bottom air here. We also reinforce the fans on these units. A lot of times these spokes can break or get bent easily, so we add this disc here at the back, and that gives it more strength. This unit is powered by a 3-phase, 5 horsepower electric motor. We've talked enough about this unit. We're going to fire it up for you now. Here you can see the unit running, fires right up. We went through the electric motor as well. This unit is ready to run easily for another 50 years. If you maintain these units, it takes a long time for them to wear out. You can see those gears moving in there. We've got our hopper disengage lever here. That stops the roll feed hopper. See the eccentrics running under there. This is a beautiful piece of history. It's still very practical to use today. We sell every part that could be needed for these old seed cleaners. These old seed cleaners do just as good of a job as a new one. In some cases, they do better than a new one. New grain cleaners focus mainly on the big three, which are soybeans, corn, and wheat. These cleaners were made to clean a variety of crops. These units do great on clover seed, grass seeds. There's a lot of tunability in the top airs, and that's what you need when it comes to grass seed and other light and fluffy commodities. This is just an all-around nice unit. Beautiful piece of workmanship. This seed cleaner is not for sale. However, we have more seed cleaners in stock. They can be bought as is, tuned up, mechanically sound, or completely rebuilt like you see here. Here at Commodity Traders International, we sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. We sell good used equipment, completely rebuilt like you see here, and brand new. Thank you for watching.